Welcome to the Nevis Newscast for Wednesday, October 4th, 2023. I am Bronte Swanston Hendrickson. Schools across St. Kitts and Nevis remained closed on Tuesday, October 3rd, in light of the inclement weather associated with Tropical Storm Philippe. The Ministry of Education advised staff and students to remain indoors as the safety of all parties is the ministry's priority. Tropical Storm Philippe dropped heavy rains in the Northeast Caribbean on Tuesday. In a public announcement, the National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA, said it also advised the government of St. Kitts and Nevis to have an early closure of all government offices. The private sector was advised to do the same. On Wednesday morning, October 4th, NEMA issued a public announcement saying, acting on the advice of the National Emergency Operations Center, the government of St. Kitts and Nevis had issued an official all-clear notice as of 6 a.m. There is no longer a major threat of storm force winds from Tropical Storm Philippe at this point. However, there may be some lingering moisture in the atmosphere from the tropical disturbance. Residents are asked to exercise caution while traversing on the road network and to pay close attention to areas prone to flash flooding and landslides. Residents are reminded to refrain from parking in known waterways or guts. Meantime, the U.S. National Hurricane Center says the risk is increasing for tropical storm conditions to occur on Bermuda late this week. Interests in Bermuda should monitor the progress of Philippe. The Department of Social Services recently concluded 2 major education activities with its clients who are enrolled in the Poverty Alleviation Programme. That disclosure was made by Premier of Nevis, the Honourable Mark Brantley, at his September 26th press conference.
Now, we understand that this is a federal program, but this Department of Social Empowerment here is involved in executing that program on the island of Nevis. So on the 1st of September, 108 persons benefited from a family disaster planning training, which was aimed at equipping people with the tools that they need in the event of a disaster. And prior to that, we had training of 60 individuals in conjunction with the Health Promotion Unit, and that was focused on non-communicable diseases, encouraging people to know their status, to do the necessary things that we are told: moderate exercise, controlling your intake of alcohol, controlling what you eat and how you eat. All of those are important. And so we are not just giving people $500 and leaving them. We are also saying to them that there are certain skills and certain information that they need to incorporate into their day-to-day lives. And we are engaged in that.
Premier Brantley noted that part of the program's new thrust is to incorporate relevant training as well as casework and more effective program monitoring.
The department wishes me to say that it is very pleased with the level of compliance with the new conditions of this Poverty Alleviation Program, and we continue to urge clients on the program to continue to take advantage of new opportunities for holistic personal and family advancement under the program.
The Poverty Alleviation Program provides a monthly stipend of $500 to households earning less than $3,000 per month. Coping with financial stress, how to grow your savings, how to get out of debt, making a budget, and learning how to manage and invest your money wisely will be some of the topics covered during a financial literacy seminar, which will be hosted by the Department of Gender Affairs. October is Financial Information Month in the Eastern Caribbean Currency Union, ECCU.
The Gender Affairs Department will be hosting a financial literacy seminar as part of Financial Information Month. The topic for the seminar is Money and Financial Wellness, Overcoming Financial Challenges, and this seminar will happen on October 19th at the St. Paul's Anglican Church from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Registration is now open and the seminar is free.
Premier and Minister of Finance in the Nevis Island Administration, the Honourable Mark Brantley. For more information, contact the Department of Gender Affairs at 665-6302 or 469-5521 extension 6750 or 6751. Still to come, Ministry of Health strengthens care capacity for metabolic chronic diseases in St. Kitts and Nevis. The details after this break.
The people of Nevis have long remained connected to the gifts nature has bestowed. As an ambassador of this majestic island, it is my duty to encourage my people to nurture, preserve, and protect what makes us unique as a people and strong as a country.
This one is dedicated to my lovely little island.
Welcome back. On Tuesday, September 26th, representatives of the Public Health Department, Alexandra Hospital, the Health Promotion Unit, and the Behavioral Health and Wellbeing Center participated in a workshop on strengthening the care capacity for metabolic chronic diseases in St. Kitts and Nevis. Project Manager William Chen of Taiwan ICDF opened the workshop and spoke about chronic metabolic diseases, which include obesity, diabetes, kidney disease, and hypertension. He highlighted the upward trend globally and the substantial burden this will have on the healthcare system and persons in St. Kitts and Nevis. Guests from the Republic of China, Taiwan, Dr. Su Guang, and registered dietitian Shu Fang shared their vast working experience with metabolic and chronic diseases in their country and the significant strides that have been made in the management of these diseases. Presentations were also made by Dr. Hadassah Willett Sargent, Project Coordinator for the Prevention and Control of Metabolic Disease Program in Nevis, who discussed ICDF screening and the upcoming HEARTS program. Dr. Tivon Brown, Medical Officer at the Alexandra Hospital, who discussed the standard of care at the Diabetic and Hypertensive Clinic at the health centers. Janicia Pemberton, a dietitian at the Alexandra Hospital, who discussed the role nutrition will play in the upcoming HEARTS program, and Michelle Sutton of the Health Promotion Unit, who discussed the importance of taking active breaks at work and what these exercise breaks can look like for the work setting. The Nevis Electricity Company Limited, NEVLEC, is advising its customers of its non-payment disconnection schedule for the month of October 2023. The week of October 9th, the parishes of St. Paul's and St. John's. The week of October 16th, the parish of St. George's. The week of October 23rd, the parishes of St. James and St. Thomas's. Customers are urged to call or visit NEVLEC's customer service department to settle all arrears in full on or before the dates specified to avoid disconnection of service. A reconnection fee of $100 will be charged for restoration of service after disconnection. And that's it for this edition of the Nevis Newscast. On behalf of all of us here at the Department of Information, I am Bronte Swanston Hendrickson. Thank you for viewing.